You know what's insane? Most people are paying $200, $300, even $400 a month just to heat or cool one room every single month. And half the time, it's still not even comfortable. I found a better way. One machine on your wall that heats your room in winter and cools it in summer. Costs a fraction to run. And here's the part nobody talks about. You can set it up yourself. No repairman and no $3,000 installation bill. Just you, a Saturday afternoon, and this box. Let's open it up.
Hey guys, welcome back to your best place for latest tech reviews and concept renders, this Enoylity technology.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Enoylity Technology, the channel where we test the tech that actually makes your life better. Today, we're unboxing the Della Optima Series Mini Split Air Conditioner. This thing heats and cools your room all year round. It connects to your phone, and a regular homeowner can install it without calling anyone. I've been testing this for a while now, and I have a lot to share. Let's get into it. In this video, we're opening everything up, walking through the setup step by step, showing you the app, talking about how this thing handles real American winters, and I'll give you my completely honest take on whether it's worth buying or not. Stay until the end. I have something important to say about the price now. Okay, so right out the gate, this thing arrives in serious packaging. This is a big heavy box, and that's a good sign. Everything is packed tight. Let's see what's inside. Alright, let's pull it all out. First thing, the indoor unit. This is a sleek white panel that mounts on your wall inside your room. Then we have the outdoor unit. This is a box that sits right outside your house. This is the engine of the whole system. Next, the connecting tubes that link the two units together. A remote control, which I love because sometimes you just don't want to reach over for your phone. All of your mounting hardware, screws and brackets, and the instruction manual, which I actually read this, and I have to say, it's one of the most clearest manuals I've ever seen. Real step-by-step stuff with pictures. Okay, first impressions on build quality. This indoor unit feels solid. The plastic is matte, no cheap glossy look, and everything snaps together tightly. No rattling and no loose parts. The outdoor unit is all metal, which is exactly what you want, because this thing is going to live outside in the rain, the snow, and that summer heat. So it needs to be tough. And this remote, clean layout, every button makes sense. Overall, out of the box, Della absolutely delivered on the packaging and build, and this doesn't feel like a budget product. Now, here's the part that I genuinely couldn't believe. So, most mini split AC units, you're required to hire a professional to install them. We're talking scheduling an appointment, waiting days, and paying anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 just for labor. But with the Della Optima, I watched a regular guy with no HVAC training and never experienced touching a unit like this before, yet installed it himself in a single afternoon. And you know why this is even possible? Because Della doesn't just ship you a box and wish you good luck. No, they give you detailed video tutorials and a step-by-step written guide that walks you through every single part of the process. It's like having an expert standing right next to you the entire time. For today's demo, we're setting this unit up on the Della ground stand bracket, a clean, flexible alternative that lets you run the system without wall installation. Let's see exactly what Della can do. Here's why the DIY design of this unit is such a big deal. When you buy most air conditioning systems, the unit itself is just a beginning. You then have to hire a licensed HVAC technician to come out and install it. That alone costs anywhere from $500 to $2,000. And that's before you're even turning that thing on. Della designed the Optima specifically so that a homeowner can handle this themselves. Everything you need is in the box. The manual walks you through every single step with pictures. You don't need any special license or training. Okay, one of the most important steps before you turn this system on, and I promise, it's easier than it sounds. It's called the vacuum pool. Here's what's happening. Those tubes connecting your indoor and outdoor units, right now, they have regular air and moisture sitting right inside them. And you need to get that out before you start the system, because air and moisture inside there will damage it over time. Think of it like this. Before you fill a water bottle, you want it clean inside, right? Same idea. So you connect a simple tool called a vacuum pump to the system. It sucks all the air and moisture out. That's literally it. Now, how do you know it worked? Your gauge will show you a number dropping. You're waiting for it to hit below 500 microns. So don't let that word scare you, okay? It's just a number on the screen. When it drops below 500 and holds there for 10 minutes without creeping back up, you're done. You're good. If the number keeps rising back up, it just means something isn't fully tightened. You tighten it and try again. No big deal. That's the whole step. Vacuum pump on, watch the number, hit below 500, hold for 10 minutes, and done. Now flip the power on, and your system is live. here's something I did not expect, and I think it's really smart. Della also offers a rental kit option. So, if you're renting your apartment or you only need this one for one season, let's say you just want it for summer or even just for winter, you can rent the installation tools instead of owning them permanently. You get the comfort without the long-term commitment. I don't know of any other brand doing this. If you're a renter, this is huge. Alright, let's talk about what this thing actually does when it's running. So first, it handles both heating and cooling. In the summer, it's your air conditioner, and in the winter, it's your heater. One unit on your wall takes care of your whole room all year long. No separate space heater, no window AC unit, and no 2 electricity bills. And it covers up to 550 square feet, which is a solid sized room. A big living room or a home office, one machine, done. Let's talk about electricity costs because I know that's what everybody's thinking about. The Della Optimum is Energy Star certified, which means the US government has tested and confirmed that this unit is genuinely energy efficient. In plain terms, it uses a lot less electricity than a traditional air conditioner or space heater. We're talking potentially up to 30% lower energy costs compared to an older system. Over a full year, that adds up to real money in your pocket. And here's a bonus, because it's Energy Star certified. You may actually qualify for a government rebate when you buy it. That can knock off a real chunk off the purchase price. I'll put more about that down in the description. Now, here's where the unit does something that most mini splits simply just can't. When the temperature outside drops below 0, most of these systems start struggling. The heating gets weaker, your house gets colder. Not ideal. Della Optima keeps working reliably, all the way down to negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than most of the Midwest gets in January. And at that temperature, it's still running at full heating power. No slowdown, no drop off. If you live in a state that gets real winters like Minnesota, Michigan, upstate New York, Colorado, this is not a nice to have. This is exactly what you need. And then there's the app, which is just really easy to use. You download the Della Plus app on your phone and suddenly you control everything from anywhere. You're at work and you want the house warm when you get back? Open the app, hit the button, and done. You can set a schedule so it turns on and off automatically. You can run a quick check to make sure everything is working. It also works with Amazon Alexa. So if you have an Echo in your house, you can say, Alexa, set the temperature to 72 degrees. And it happens. And my favorite is geolocation. The app knows when you leave home and when you're coming back. So it automatically turns down the heat when you leave and starts warming you back up when you're 10 minutes away. Your house is always comfortable and you're never heating an empty room. That is smart. So, does the Della Optima actually live up to everything they promise? I'm gonna give you my completely honest verdict in just a second. But first, there are 2 things about this unit that I haven't even mentioned yet. And one of them is the reason I personally put this in my own home. Don't go anywhere. Here's something most people never notice, but it makes a real difference. Inside this outdoor unit, the metal fins. The little rolls of thin metal that move heat in and out are coated in a thin layer of gold. Now, before you think this sounds crazy, here's why it matters. Regular metal fins rust over time. Rain, humidity, salty air, it all eats away at them. When they rust, the system gets less efficient and eventually starts to fail. The gold coating on Della's fins prevents the rust completely. They also heat up faster, which means the system defrosts quicker in winter and runs more efficiently. This is a detail that tells you Della actually thought about how long this product needs to last. It's built to keep working for years. Now, let's talk about the certifications on this unit. Because these aren't just stickers. No, they actually mean something. The Della Optima is Energy Star certified. That's a US government stamp of approval saying yes, this is genuinely energy efficient. And you may get a rebate for buying this. It's also ETL listed, which means it has been independently tested to confirm it meets US electrical safety standards. So meaning it's not going to blow a fuse or cause a problem in your home. And it's AHRI certified, which means a third-party organization has tested the actual performance of this unit and confirmed that what Della advertised is real. The efficiency numbers, the heating and cooling output, all verified. So you're not just taking their word for it. Now, one last thing. This unit uses a newer, cleaner type of refrigerant called R45-4B. Without getting into the chemistry, the shorter version is, it's better for the environment than what most older AC units use. So you're getting a powerful, efficient system that's also doing a little less damage to the planet. Win-win. Alright, final verdict on the Della Optima Series Mini Split AC. This is a genuinely impressive product. So that build quality is great. The smart features like the app, Alexa control, the geolocation, they actually work and they make your life a lot more easier. The ability to work in minus 13 degrees weather at full power is a real differentiator, especially if you live somewhere with serious winters. The DIY installation is legitimate. Real homeowners are doing it and it's working. The energy savings are real and certified by the government. The rental kit is a brilliant option for anyone who doesn't want to commit. And the certification, Energy Star, ETL, AHRI tell you this is a trusted, tested product. The gold-coated fins tell you it's built to last. If you own your home and you want a smart system that handles heating and cooling all year, this is my recommendation. If you're a renter, the rental kit option makes this work for you too. And if you're in the Midwest or the Northeast and you deal with real winters, this is built exactly for that. Check the link in the description and see if you qualify for energy rebate in your state. And you might be surprised at how affordable this actually gets. That's it for today's video. If this was helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It seriously helps this channel more than you know. And if you want to know more honest reviews like this every week, hit that subscribe and you won't miss a thing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.